Welcome to the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel. In this video, we will take a deeper dive into the transport wheel assembly unit on our Stryker treadmill, from dealing with the treadmill slipping or moving on your facility's floor, to showing you how to adjust the transport assembly. Before we begin, we strongly recommend not using an impact drill for this procedure. Excessive force can damage the bushing, as demonstrated here. Primarily, we created this video to show you the proper procedure for replacing the retaining ring bushing and retaining clips on the transport wheel assembly. Let's get started. First, use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove both end caps from the Stryker. Each end cap is secured with 4 screws. Next, carefully lay the unit on its side to access the transport wheel assembly. We recommend having a second person assist with this step. Once the unit is positioned, use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the plastic wheel assembly bracket. This will expose the adjustment mechanism. Using a 10mm Allen wrench, turn the threaded bolt until you reach the jam nuts. Loosen both jam nuts using either a 3/4 inch or 19mm wrench, as shown. After releasing the tension, remove the outer nut by hand. Then, secure the remaining nut with your wrench and fully back it off the bolt. You can now unthread and remove the bolt from the bracket. Remove the damaged retaining ring bushing and clips, and fully extract the bolt from the assembly. Inspect the holes in the bolt to make sure they are clear of debris from the retaining clips. Install the new components by sliding the bolt back into place. Be sure to position the concave washer with the curved side, flush against the bracket. Next, set the new bushing over the washer, ensuring the curved surfaces align and seat properly. Thread the bolt back through the adjustable portion of the bracket. Insert both retaining clips into the bushing. Needle nose pliers are recommended for this step. Using your 10mm Allen wrench, tighten the bolt until the bushing sits flush against the bracket. Reinstall the jam nuts and secure them using your 3/4 inch or 19mm wrenches. Once complete, reinstall the plastic bracket using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver. With the bracket secured, carefully return the unit to its upright position with assistance. Finally, reinstall both end caps using the original screws, 4 per side. That completes the procedure. Thank you for watching. For additional support, please contact True Fitness Customer Service or explore more step-by-step resources here on the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel.